Is the total length of break during study time beneficial to the subject's score in the quiz? As middle school students, we have noticed many other students studying for a long period of time or even overnight to finish homework and study. These people stay up all night studying just to get an A. The students who end up doing this may suffer from sleep deprivation and getting the sleep schedules mixed up because of this. We have also noticed many other students who can still retain an A while not studying for as long of a period of time as others. This led us to wonder, how would it be possible for students to still have an A in a shorter period of time? The answer would be a smaller period of study time and breaks in between to see if the students could relax in between studying and don't have to worry about overstudying. To find this out, I would give subjects a specific amount of study time, a certain length of a break, and then give the quiz to measure their performance. The results of this investigation will help us determine the best amount of break time in comparison to study time to maximize the amount of rest students can get while at the same time allowing the student to retain the highest possible grade that they could receive.